Welcome back to CreatorFix, your favorite channel. We're going to talk about something that's essential for every YouTuber out there, and that is how to use your body to get more views and make your thumbnails more attractive.
That's right, Dragon. A lot of people underestimate the power of body language and facial expressions when it comes to creating thumbnails. But trust us, it can make a huge difference in how viewers engage with your videos.
Absolutely. Let's start with one of the most important body parts for creating attractive thumbnails, and that's your eyes. Making eye contact with the camera in your thumbnail can make it captivating and attention-grabbing.
Yes, and if you're not comfortable making direct eye contact with the camera in your thumbnail, try looking slightly off to the side of the lens. It'll give the illusion that you're looking at your viewers without making you feel uncomfortable.
Another body part that's essential for creating attractive thumbnails is your smile. People are naturally attracted to a genuine smile, so make sure to show off those pearly whites in your thumbnails.
Hollywood smile to make your thumbnails more attractive. Just a simple, genuine smile can make all of the difference.
Moving on to hands, they can play a big role in creating attractive thumbnails. You can use your hands to frame your face or emphasize the main subject of your thumbnail.
Absolutely. And if you're not comfortable using your hands too much in your thumbnail, you can simply place them on the table or in your lap. Just make sure that they're not distracting from the main subject of your thumbnail.
Lastly, let's talk about the power of your face. Your facial expressions can convey a lot of emotions and energy, so make sure to use them to your advantage in your thumbnail.
That's right. Whether you're excited, passionate, or serious, use your facial expressions and add some personality and depth to your thumbnails.
And remember, you don't need to look like a supermodel to make these tricks work for you.